Hello guys, how to fix if your USB flash drive missing from your Windows 11 and 10 system. And to fix if USB drive not showing up, then the first and initial workaround is as shown on your screen. The first, remove the USB drive from the computer. Second one is connect the drive to another computer to see if it starts or working or not. And third one is you can also try another port in your system. These three are the initial workarounds. You will have to check in your system, and if your problem exists, then go to the next fixes as described in this video. The first one is right click on your start button and choose disk management. In disk management, right click on your drive and choose change drive letter and paths. Here click on change. If you choose add, then this option is grayed out, so close this window and choose on change. Click on change and from the drop down menu choose any different letter for your drive. And after that, check whether your USB missing error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, click on yes to continue and close the windows. Check whether your USB drive showing or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to right click on start button and choose device manager. In device manager windows, expand disk drive feature, universal serial bus controller, and here right click on your USB root hub and choose its properties. And here from the top menu bar, choose detail power management and make the change. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Finally, choose OK to save the changes and check whether your USB drive not showing up or missing from your Windows 11 and 10 system resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, right click on the start button and choose device manager again. And in device manager windows, expand your disk drive and right click on your disk drive and here choose properties, and here from the top menu bar go to driver and choose update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers and window will install latest device driver for you. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run command box. Execute the command to run hardware and devices troubleshooter. To open device troubleshooter, type such command and press OK. In my case, an error occurred while loading the troubleshooters. Here you can see details and error code you will find in your window. If you not found such error, then run the device diagnostic tools and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. After finishing your problem, USB flash drive not showing or missing from Windows 11 and 10,